Audio Jungle.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. Sorry for the delay. Um, so let's start now. So before moving further, I just wanted to understand. Amin says he didn't understand the array. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the entire session again. Okay. So Amin, please go and visit my video that was published on yesterday evening and today morning, right? Both videos. Watch carefully and you'll understand. You'll start understanding. Still you have problem, then we can talk. Okay. So how many of you done a first program? Just raise your hand. First program. Yeah. There Himanshu, Nagma. Okay. Cool. Okay. So and how many of you done second program? Yeah, Sairaj, I know you done. Harshit also done. Okay, I mean. Yeah. Okay. So how many of you done the second program, which is using character array, store your name and display it, right? Okay. Uh, okay. So here, let's try, using the character array, how we can store the value. Can somebody paste your program, either Nagma, Harshit, or from there, so that we can save that time. Otherwise, I'll write from scratch. So what we will trying to do now? How many elements that I can store? Using character array, store your name in your array. Okay. And how many of you done this program? Using character array, store your name in an array variable and count vowels in that stored name and display it. So let's do this first two programs, because I think by 7:50 this meeting will get over. So how much time will we may have now? Where is my mobile? Okay. So 7:33. Fine. So let's try doing a few programs using array, and then we can jump on the next topic. Okay. So using character array, store your name and display it. Let's do this first program. Very simple. Alt F5 hash include stdio.h hash include io.h void main. Now those who didn't understand, watch carefully. Okay. So what we need to store? Character, right? Name. So how many characters you want to store? So my name has 5 characters, right? So I have to declare how many characters, what is the size of my name? See, I am going very slowly because this is char, and char is little different than integer and float, right? So to store my name, right? My name has how many characters? RIF. That is 5, right? So what is the size I have to declare here? 10. So let's declare 5. Okay. Then I can write something like this: 0 equal to A. This is character array, right? I can do like this: equal to A, care of 2 equal to R. Just, oh sorry, not care, I'm sorry, it's name of name of uh, name of 1, name of 2, name of 3 equal to sorry, I. This is what we are learning is base of your next topic actually, okay? Please remember. So please be careful. And here I have to print. I accepted name, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this program we should do on Turbo C plus, no?
Sorry?
This program should we do on Turbo C, no?
You can do whatever editor you have, Turbo C or Online GDB, Code C, Codex C, or whatever you have. Visual
Sir,
Studio,
online what? Sir, online what?
Online GDB. It was given in the link sometime back. You can check your WhatsApp or YouTube, or somebody
sir.
can send that that link to, I think, Mronal. Yeah. Okay. So here we have to print my name, right? How I can print my name now? Percent what I need to write here? Percent C, because it is character array, right? Percent C, percent C, percent C, percent C, 5 times. Then name of 0, name of 1, name of 2, name of 3, name of 4, right? Yes, here, and here I'm going to write CRACR this. Okay, let me compile. Alt F9, success, Control F9. So here I'm just doing one print program to print name. So again, Alt F9. Sorry, one error. What? Okay. What is the error? See, my name is being printed here, right? But what? This is 5-character name, right? But what if I have to write a statements, right? Let's do one more thing. What happened? Last one is not coming, right? Because its size is only 6. Or is it coming? Let's print here. We haven't printed, right? So let's put %C, one more, comma, Alt F9, Control F9, RF D. What happened? Why it is printing? Let's do one more thing. साइज इज गिवन एज 5. सो इंडेक्स कहां से शुरू होगा? C. 6. Yeah, see what happened. It's giving me space, right? It's giving me, I have not entered anything, right? So let me put here for 7. What is this? Space or something garbage, right? Why it is printing? It is printing because it's taking the next character in the next location in the sequence. Your memory is not limited with your 5 characters. 5 size is very meaningful as far as your name is concerned, your array is concerned. But it doesn't mean that after 6 or 6th onward, 6th location onward, there is no memory. There is a memory, right? You haven't initialized it. And that is the reason it may contain anything which you cannot predict. Now it is giving me space. It may give some other character also, funny characters, right? So the meaningful are till 4. Meaningful array is till 4. So how this stuff, okay. So there is another way to print this. Printf, let me check. Printf /n %s. Control F9. Yeah, now you can see. What is that 6 character? Earlier it was. Okay, what happened? I commented this 5th location, 5th index. That is means 6th character, right? But my size is 5, right? 0 to 4. That is the index that I have to use. I am allowed to use. But 6th onward, I am not allowed to use. It will give me any garbage, and that is the reason why this was printed, as something, name 7 or name 8. It won't give you error, right? But it won't give you correct value. Okay. So to get the correct value, sorry. Name of 0. Oh. So it's something behaved incorrectly, because what I'm trying to do now is I'm sending him a character to print and asking him to print a string. So that won't work. Okay. So 4, what it will print? F, that is last character, right? Okay. So 5th number character is 5th is nothing but 6 actually. It is beyond the array limit. Understand? And beyond the array limit is not allowed. Okay. Okay. So, so here, what happened? How many times I have to write this name? If suppose somebody has say 20 character in his name, then फिर क्या करेंगे हम लोग? हमको नेम ऑफ 0, नेम ऑफ 1, नेम ऑफ 2, नेम ऑफ 3, नेम ऑफ 4, 5, 6, 7, 19 तक जाना पड़ेगा, तो वो नाम प्रिंट होगा. Is it efficient way? No, it's not efficient way. So what to do in that case? Wherever you have functions, wherever you want to perform function where you want to repeat the things, right? At that time, there is a construct called loops, right? Which can help you to do a task in a repeated manner for n number of times. Okay. So we will go there on the loops, but give me a second. Okay. So we have one more assistance here. Okay. When you declare a variable, right? Array variable, you can print the size of name. Size of is a function, okay, which will help you to understand how many elements are you can store in particular array. Okay. Okay. Can we write our name? Yes, Vijay, you can write your name, no problem. But now listen. The size of character gives you what it will give you. It will give you number of element, not character. I'm saying number of element that can be stored in particular array. For example, if suppose I write here, sorry, if suppose I write here, say integer array, nums of 20. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, now you understand the pain. How many of you done this program as I've done here? In the same way I have done here? Sorry. Those who done this program, right, they can understand the value of loop once I started that. %d size of nums. See, size of is a function, okay? That's why it is function accepting one variable, okay? So, size of nums is a name of array. So, always an array carries base address. You understand that? Right? And base address is located at 0th location, always. Okay? So, let's try.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what it gives me? Size of nums is 40. Means what? We studied yesterday. Each location in an array contains how many byte? In case of int, 2 byte. In case of character, 1 byte. Right? So let me change. Now you understand. Please observe. What happened? What happened? It gives me 20. So what is 20? 20 is the number of bytes it has occupied. So this is char. When I say int, it gives me 40. When I say float, $80. Tell me now, what will be the output? We are still at very basic level, understanding the data type, but this time in terms of array. अभी क्या आंसर आएगा नम्स का? मैं चैट नहीं देख पा रहा हूं. Sejal says 80.
160.
Nagma says 160. Shalim says 160. It means you guys have done that program, I guess. Okay, let me. Why 160? Not 80, as Sejal is saying.
Because it is 8 byte.
Yes. double has a size of 8 byte. So let me run this first quickly so that you can confirm yourself. Right? So size of gives you number of bytes that particular variable occupied. Now that particular variable, does it mean it means normal variable or it means array variable, right? Understand? Okay. Now just observe now what I'm doing. I'm commenting this line. I'm making it simple normal variable, not array variable. Now just observe. 8 दे दिया उसने मेरे को. So 8 multiplied by 20, that is 160. When I declare an array of 20 element, so each element will occupy 8 byte. When I make this integer, each element will occupy how much? 2 byte. So that is the reason it gives me not 20, but it will give me 40. But in case of character, what happened? अभी कितना आएगा? अभी कितना आएगा? अरे मेरे को चैट नहीं दिखता मेरे को. Manish says 20, Salim says 20. If I make the character array, then what is the size print to be printed? Manish says printed. Perfect. So guys, you are getting now. Okay. So I'm happy even if I'm slow, right? In coverage point of view, C का जो concepts coverage है अपने training program में थोड़ा कम है. Okay. But I'm okay with that because you guys are understanding from nothing to something, right? And I'm really happy to see that you are able to answer me. Okay, so 20. Okay, let's proceed. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Fine, I know that. Okay. In this session, next part, basically today only, we will be covering, we will be starting with loops, okay? So till that time, in next 5 minutes, we will cover up one more program, right? So I ask you to write a program to, sorry, which program? Display, using character array, store your name in an array variable. Okay, how to do this program? Can you apply logic? We can talk on this instead of doing program. We can even talk now, right? We can interactive session. Let's do that interactively. Let's apply. गलती हो रही होने दो. आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आ रहा है, मराठी में बात करो, हिंदी में बात करो. I can understand, and everybody in our group I think can understand, right? So let's try to. मैंने 4th वाला प्रोग्राम किया अभी. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Declare an array, print how many elements an array can store, or size of array, right? Okay. So using character array, store your name in array variable. ये हमने फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम लिया था ऊपर वाला, right? अब उसके आगे का एक स्टेप छोटा सा ले रहा हूं मैं. काउंट वॉवेल्स इन द स्टोर नेम एंड डिस्प्ले. अभी कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? वॉवेल्स काउंट करना है हमको. इफ एल्स, आप बताइए मेरे को फटाफट. गलती हो गई, इनएफिशिएंट है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आंसर आना चाहिए. दैट इज द गोल नाउ, राइट? अपना गोल है कि इसको आंसर लाए हम लोग. बाद में ऑप्टिमाइजेशन देखेंगे. यस यस. जो अभी जैसे मेरे नाम में 3 वॉवेल है, राइट? आरिफ, AARIF. सो 3 वॉवेल है मेरे नाम में. तो मेरा जब मैं नाम दूंगा तो उसमें 3 आना चाहिए, राइट? शेजल के केस में कितना आएगा? SE1 JA. सो 2 आने चाहिए. यस. AEIOU, ये तुम्हारे नाम में कितनी बार आता है उसका मेरे को काउंट चाहिए. दैट इज द गोल एक्चुअली अपना. ओके, ऐसा अपने को प्रोग्राम का लॉजिक कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. प्रोग्राम करेंगे हम लोग बाद में से. बट आप मेरे को बताओ कि क्या लॉजिक लगाओगे आप? पहले तो अरे लिखना पड़ेगा जैसे हमने लिखा, एटलीस्ट नाम तो स्टोर करना पड़ेगा आपको, राइट? अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग यूजर से नहीं ले रहे, आपको आपका नाम पता है, इसके लिए हम लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे इनिशियलाइज कर दिया मेरे जैसा, राइट? अब इसके आगे प्रोग्राम करना है अपने को कि भाई ये नेम में कितने वॉवल्स है, राइट? सो क्या करना पड़ेगा मेरे को? हर कैरेक्टर को देखना पड़ेगा। इफ नेम हाँ हैज वॉवल, इंक्रीज द नंबर बाय 1। Yes, correct. So we have to write क्या इक्वल टू 3। तो दैट इज, बट कैसे लाना है? 3 कैसे लाना है? दया ने लिखा है एक लॉजिकल स्टेटमेंट, इसको बोलते हैं सूडो कोड। दया, जो आपने लिखा है उसको बोलते हैं सूडो कोड। लेट मी राइट दैट हियर। ये सब टर्मिनोलॉजी है यार, ये सब आपको, ये मैंने स्किप किया है एक्चुअली। सूडो कोड, फ्लो चार्ट, राइट, डेटा फ्लो डायग्राम, ये भी एक टॉपिक था अपने करिकुलम का, बट आई स्किप दैट, राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ टू मच थियोरेटिकल स्टफ। हम लोग बाद में से ले सकेंगे जब भी कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो। ओके, सो ध्येय ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया मेरे को कि इफ नेम हैज वॉवेल, राइट, नेम अरे हैज वॉवेल, इंक्रीज द नंबर बाय 1। बट अभी इसको लिखेंगे कैसा? तो हर कैरेक्टर को हम लोग देखना पड़ेगा। अभी जैसे मेरा नाम है, मेरे नाम का एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम लोग अभी के लिए, थोड़ी देर के लिए। तो इसमें आंसर अपने को पता है कि इसमें 3 आंसर आना है, बट फ्लो प्रोग्राम को नहीं पता कि इसमें क्या है। वी हैव टू राइट दैट, राइट? तो कैसा लिखेंगे हम लोग? ये मैं डिलीट करता हूं इसको, ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट को, ये इनका जरूरत नहीं है अपने को, राइट? यहां पे हमको इफ नेम ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू जो अपन ने टर्नरी किया था, अब इफ